G'day folks, welcome to the show. On this week's episode, I'm in Flinders Island, so please come and join me. Grab a bevy, sit back and enjoy the show. Let's go.
I've got to go and do a little bit of work, so bear with me while I do what I've come over to do. We've only got the whole property, 20 lines only, 2 tractors, 2 users. Beautiful old farm sheds.
Yeah.
Must be time for a beer. Come on, Phil. Take us to the pub.
I'm up for that, big fella.
Many hundreds of visitors go to Wybalenna, Black Man's House, on Flinders Island every year, with the intention of visiting the historical chapel there. But they may be completely oblivious to the fact that the church sits on a site where hundreds of Tasmanian Aborigines died, while waiting to be returned to their traditional country on the mainland of Tasmania, as promised by George Augustus Robinson as part of his friendly mission.
And you can't have an old building without the old dunga. Have a look at this for a shit house. I'm not sure the old Wybalenna tin, kerosene tin, come from the day, but you know, she still hasn't got the old lid. And it looks like people have been using it. Back out, big fella. She's a cracker. Check her out. Built on the granite footings. And the trapdoor in the bucket. Get rid of the bucket. Awesome. That's day 2. Been and done our work for the day. I'm just having a bit of a look around the west coast of Flinders Island.
Wybalenna was established as a so-called Aboriginal settlement in 1834, and when it opened, housed 134 Aborigines, placed there for the purpose of being civilised and Christianised.
Got a funny feel about this place, Phil. It's kind of calming.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
isn't it? It is. It is.
Even though all the atrocities that went on here.
However, only 47 Aborigines remained, and in 1847 they were transferred to Oyster Cove, south of Hobart. Wybalenna, for the main part, was summed into mainstream way of life on Flinders Island, and would most likely have been seen as unremarkable if it was not for the cemetery and chapel. Many Aboriginals saw the importance of Wybalenna and sought to have it protected from those who would run their cattle over the unmarked graves left behind after the closing of the settlement. The Tasmanian government, in its Aboriginal Lands Act 1995, returned the land to the Tasmanian Aborigines, and although the site is back in Aboriginal hands, it still holds a sense of sorrow surrounding and attempting asylum and genocide of Tasmanian Aborigines.
You see that or not yet? I think there's another wombat and he's littly. So I'm going to try and sneak up here. See if I can get some footage for you. I think I'm downwind, so I should be right. I should be able to get pretty close. Bear with me. I'll keep it running and real time. I wonder if they edit some out. I can make out 2 bones. Side. Oh shit. You get it? He's gone in his burrow. I frightened him. I frightened them. Oh, Mum's pretty quick to run off and leave the little one, eh? Oh, yeah. Hopefully I got some of that. If not, them scurrying into the hole. Okay. Apparently we're heading north, so let's go.
Later.
Tea to a restaurant, and we discovered that at the restaurant they make whiskey, gin and vodka, and apparently tomorrow we're coming back to do a tasting, so that could get interesting. Anyway, just wanted to show you that, and I guess while I'm here I should probably show you the shitty view that we're looking at while we're having our dinner. Out over the bay, as you can see, the wind is blowing its arse off, but not at the bar, so it's all good. Let's go and have a few beers and some dinner. Gotta love island life.
Well, here we are on Flinders Island, and we've been recruited to do a mouse hunt. I reckon he's having a warm by the heater. What do you reckon, big fella? I reckon he's having a warm by the heater.
I can't believe we're at a restaurant with mice running around our food and we're still waiting for our dinner and we haven't fucked off. Honestly.
But just for a point of clarification, the beer's good.
$5 a can, we're staying.
Island aviation are having 2 helicopter flights across the road. Coming now, everybody, rush out.
Here they go. Oh, nice, there they go.
wombat, now they're everywhere.
Got a little one with him? No.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching. For my end crew, have you been to Flinders Island? What did you get up to while you were here? Drop it down in the comments. I'd like to know what you did and explored while you were here. Again, thanks for joining me. If you liked it, just give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of the beautiful Tasmania, whether it be here or mainland Tassie, please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers everyone.